Hi, welcome to Gottman Institute Snippets, a page dedicated to promoting the excellent teachings of the Gottman Institute. Today, we will be looking at the very complex topic infidelity. Before we get started, be sure to show your support by clicking the like button, subscribing to our channel, and turning on notifications so you don't miss any new updated content. The Gottman Institute, Pioneers in Relationship Research. Welcome to our exploration of infidelity in relationships, a topic that can be both challenging and crucial to address. Today, we'll delve into this complex issue, drawing from the groundbreaking research conducted by the Gottman Institute, a leading authority in the field of relationship science. Part 1. Understanding Infidelity. Defining the unfaithful act. Infidelity, in the context of relationships, is an act of betrayal where one partner engages in emotional or physical intimacy with someone other than their committed partner. It's a breach of trust, often shrouded in secrecy, and can have profound consequences on individuals and couples alike. When discussing infidelity, it's essential to recognize that it takes various forms. Emotional infidelity involves forming a deep emotional connection with someone other than your partner, while physical infidelity encompasses engaging in sexual activity with someone outside the committed relationship. Studies on the prevalence of infidelity vary, but it's clear that a significant portion of individuals in committed relationships have experienced infidelity in one form or another. This underscores the importance of understanding the causes, signs, consequences, and coping mechanisms related to infidelity. Part 2. Causes of Infidelity. Exploring the roots. Infidelity doesn't occur in a vacuum. It often arises from a combination of factors within a relationship. Key contributors include dissatisfaction, lack of emotional connection, and opportunity. Dissatisfaction can stem from unmet needs, unresolved conflicts, or long-standing grievances within the relationship. This dissatisfaction may lead one partner to seek emotional or physical fulfillment elsewhere. Lack of emotional connection is another significant factor. When partners feel emotionally distant or disconnected, they may be more susceptible to seeking emotional intimacy elsewhere, even if it doesn't initially involve physical contact. Opportunity plays a role as well. Infidelity becomes more likely when individuals have access to potential partners outside their committed relationship, whether through work, social circles, or online interactions. The Gottman Institute's research emphasizes the importance of identifying and addressing these root causes to prevent infidelity and maintain healthy relationships. Part 3. Signs of Infidelity. Recognizing the red flags. Identifying signs of infidelity can be challenging, as they often vary from one person to another. However, some common indicators may suggest that a partner is being unfaithful. Changes in behavior, such as increased secrecy, unexplained absences, or sudden changes in schedule, can be red flags. Emotional distance, a decline in intimacy, or a decrease in communication may also signal infidelity. Another warning sign is an increase in defensiveness or hostility when discussing the relationship or the suspected infidelity itself. Furthermore, a partner's sudden preoccupation with their appearance or a shift in their sexual behavior may be cause for concern. However, it's essential to approach these signs with caution and communicate openly with your partner before making assumptions. The Gottman Institute's research highlights the significance of addressing these signs early on and emphasizes the role of effective communication in resolving relationship issues. Part 4. Consequences of Infidelity. the emotional and relational toll. Infidelity can exact a heavy emotional and relational toll on individuals and couples. The consequences of infidelity are far-reaching and can manifest in various ways. Emotionally, infidelity can lead to feelings of betrayal, anger, depression, and low self-esteem for both partners. Trust, a cornerstone of healthy relationships, is often shattered, making it challenging to rebuild. Relationship. Wise. Infidelity can result in damaged intimacy and a sense of insecurity. It can lead to a communication breakdown and further erode the emotional connection between partners. Research conducted by the Gottman Institute underscores the profound impact of infidelity on relationship satisfaction and emphasizes the importance of addressing these consequences effectively. Part 5. Coping with infidelity. Navigating the storm. Coping with infidelity is a formidable challenge for both individuals and couples. However, it's essential to recognize that healing and rebuilding trust are possible with the right approach. Individuals who've experienced infidelity can benefit from acknowledging their feelings, seeking support from friends, family, or a therapist, and taking steps toward personal growth and self-care. Couples can work together to cope with infidelity by initiating open and honest communication. This involves discussing the root causes, feelings, and expectations moving forward. Seeking professional help, such as couples therapy, can be invaluable in facilitating this process. Part 6. Preventing infidelity. Building a solid foundation. Preventing infidelity involves actively working together as a couple to create a strong and fulfilling relationship. There are several strategies to help safeguard your relationship against the pitfalls of infidelity. First and foremost, maintaining open communication is crucial. This means regularly discussing your feelings, desires, and concerns with your partner. Creating a safe space for both partners to express themselves can foster emotional intimacy. Another key aspect of prevention is nurturing the emotional connection within the relationship. This involves spending quality time together, engaging in shared activities, and continually showing appreciation and affection. Setting clear boundaries and expectations within the relationship can also help prevent infidelity. Couples can define what constitutes crossing a line and discuss the consequences of breaching those boundaries. The Gottman Institute's research emphasizes that couples who actively work on these aspects are better equipped to build trust and prevent infidelity. Part 7. Rebuilding trust. The road to recovery. Rebuilding trust after infidelity is a challenging journey that requires time, patience, and effort from both partners. However, it's important to recognize that it is possible to mend a relationship, even after the breach of trust caused by infidelity. One of the initial steps in rebuilding trust is complete transparency. The unfaithful partner should be open about their actions, motivations, and any other relevant details. This transparency allows the betrayed partner to gain a clearer understanding of what transpired. The process also involves an acknowledgement of the hurt and pain experienced by both partners. Validating each other's emotions is a critical component of rebuilding trust. Couples may benefit from seeking professional help, such as couples therapy, to navigate this challenging journey. Therapists can provide guidance, facilitate communication, and offer tools to rebuild trust effectively. The Gottman Institute's research emphasizes the importance of patience and commitment in rebuilding trust. It also highlights the potential for couples to emerge from infidelity with a stronger and more resilient relationship. Part 8. Seeking professional help. The role of therapy. Infidelity often brings couples to a crossroads, and seeking professional help can be a crucial step in navigating the aftermath. Couples therapy, in particular, offers a structured and supportive environment for addressing infidelity and its consequences. In therapy, both partners have the opportunity to express their feelings, concerns, and grievances. A skilled therapist can facilitate productive communication, helping each partner understand the other's perspective. Couples therapy can also provide practical tools for rebuilding trust and intimacy. Therapists can assist couples in setting clear expectations, establishing boundaries, and creating a plan for moving forward. The Gottman Institute has developed effective therapy techniques that are evidence-based and designed to strengthen relationships. Their research supports the positive impact of therapy on couples dealing with infidelity. Part 9. Forgiveness and Moving Forward. The power of forgiveness. Forgiveness plays a pivotal role in the healing process after infidelity. It's important to recognize that forgiveness does not mean condoning or forgetting the infidelity, but rather choosing to release the resentment and anger that can hold you captive. The process of forgiveness involves acknowledging the pain, anger, and betrayal, while consciously deciding to let go of these negative emotions. It's a liberating choice that can lead to emotional healing and personal growth. Both partners in the relationship play a role in forgiveness. The unfaithful partner must express genuine remorse and take responsibility for their actions, while the betrayed partner must be willing to work towards letting go of the past. Forgiveness is not a linear process and may take time. However, it can pave the way for couples to move forward, rebuild trust, and create a healthier and more resilient relationship. The Gottman Institute's research highlights the significance of forgiveness in the context of infidelity and its potential to contribute to relationship repair. Part 10. The Gottman Institute's contribution. Gottman's approach to building healthy relationships. The Gottman Institute, founded by Dr. John Gottman and Dr. Julie Gottman, has been a trailblazer in the field of relationship research. Their extensive work has provided valuable insights into the dynamics of relationships, including infidelity. One of the core principles of the Gottman approach is the importance of fostering emotional intimacy and maintaining a positive perspective on the relationship. Their research has shown that couples who continuously invest in their emotional connection are better equipped to withstand challenges, including infidelity. The Institute's groundbreaking work has also led to the development of effective therapy techniques, such as the Gottman Method Couples Therapy, which has helped countless couples navigate the complex terrain of infidelity and relationship repair. In conclusion, infidelity is a challenging issue that can deeply impact individuals and couples. However, with understanding, open communication, and the right resources, healing and rebuilding are possible. The Gottman Institute's research offers invaluable insights and guidance for those dealing with infidelity, emphasizing the importance of emotional connection, communication, and forgiveness. Remember that infidelity is not the end of a relationship. It can be a turning point. By addressing the root causes, recognizing the signs, and seeking help when needed, couples can emerge from this difficult experience with a stronger and more resilient bond. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the complex landscape of infidelity. We hope this video has provided you with valuable information and tools to navigate this challenging aspect of relationships. 10 random facts about infidelity. A study by Mark and Linda Hollinger found that 70 of married individuals admitted to having cheated on their spouse at least once. Women are more likely to cheat for emotional reasons, while men are more likely to cheat for sexual variety, according to a study published in the Journal of Marriage and Family. Infidelity is one of the leading causes of divorce in the United States, contributing to about 20/40 of divorces. The Gottman Institute's research suggests that couples who address infidelity openly and honestly have a better chance of rebuilding their relationships. Emotional infidelity can be just as damaging as physical infidelity, with long-lasting consequences for trust. The highest incidence of infidelity occurs among people aged 18. 29, according to a report by the Institute for Family Studies. Online infidelity, often facilitated by social media, has seen a significant rise in recent years. The concept of micro-cheating refers to small, subtle behaviors that suggest a partner may be emotionally or physically involved with someone else. Men are more likely to cheat with someone younger, while women are more likely to cheat with someone older, according to a study published in Evolutionary Psychology. Despite the challenges, many couples successfully overcome infidelity and go on to build even stronger relationships through therapy and communication. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any new content. Also, if you have any subject requests, please leave a comment so we can make sure we cover the content that you are interested in. Lastly, make sure you join us next time where we will be covering the topic of communication in relationships.